Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your TikTok analytics. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. To see your insights, first you have to switch to Pro account. Otherwise you will not be able to see the analytics. Now tap on three dots on top right corner. Now tap on Manage Account and here you will see Switch to Pro account. Now tap on that and switch your account to a Pro account. And when you are done, go back and you will see Analytics. Tap on that. And here you will see all of your analytics. Since I have recently switched to Pro account, there are not much information to show. And that's how you can see your TikTok analytics. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.